Hello everyone, welcome back to College Dunia's YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about CBSE Class 12th Accountancy Syllabus 2023 to 2024. CBSE Class 10th Accountancy Syllabus is divided into three parts, A, B and C. Part A carries 60 marks while Part B and C contains 20 marks each. Part A, accounting for partnership firms and companies. In Part B, financial statement analysis or computerized accounting. In Part C, project work or practical work. Let's check the CBSE Class 12 Accountancy Unit-wise weightage. Part A, accounting for partnership firms and companies, consists of weightage of 60 marks. Accounting for partnership firm consists of weightage of 36 marks. Accounting for companies consists of weightage of 24 marks. In Part B, financial statement analysis consists of weightage of 20 marks. Analysis of financial statement consists of weightage of 12 marks. Cash flow statement consists of weightage of 8 marks. In Part B, computerized accounting consists of weightage of 20 marks. Let's check the CBSE Class 12th Accountancy Syllabus 2023 to 2024 chapter-wise topics. In Part A, accounting for partnership firms and companies, the first unit, accounting for partnership firms, consist of important topics are partnership, feature and partnership deed, provisions for the Indian Partnership Act 1932, accounting for partnership firms, reconstitutions and dissolution, change in profit sharing ratio, admission of a partner, retirement and death of a partner. In accounting for companies, the important topics are accounting for share capital, features and types of companies, share and share capital, accounting for share capital, concept of private placement and employee stock option plan, accounting for debentures, meaning types, issue of debenture for consideration other than cash, issue of debenture. In Part B, financial statement analysis, the unit are analysis of financial statement. Important topics are financial statement of a company, financial statement analysis, tools of financial statement analysis, accounting ratio, liquidity ratio, solvency ratio, activity ratio, profitability ratio. In cash flow statement, important topics are meaning, objective, benefit, cash and cash equivalents, classification of activities and preparation. In computerized accounting, the overview computerized accounting system, accounting application of electronic spreadsheet, using a computerized accounting system. Let's check the CBSE Class 12th Accountancy project work. For CBSE Class 12th Accountancy project work, students have to prepare one project on the financial statement analysis of a company covering any two of the following aspects: comparative and common size financial statement, accounting ratio, segment reports, cash flow statements. Let's check the CBSE Class 12th Accountancy Related Syllabus 2023 to 2024. In Part A, accounting for not-for-profit organization, partnership firms and companies, the related topic are financial statement of not-for-profit organization, complete chapter. In Part B, financial statement analysis, the related topic are comparative statement, common size statements. In Part B, computerized accounting, the DBMS concept and feature of DBMS in business application, generating accounting information, payroll. Let's check the CBSE Class 12 Accountancy important topics. The Unit 1, accounting for partnership firms, important topics are goodwill, change in profit sharing ratio, admission of a partner, retirement and death of a partner, dissolution of a partnership firm. In Unit 3, accounting for companies, the important topics are accounting for share capital, debentures. In Unit 4, analysis of financial statement, the topics are financial statement of a company, financial statement analysis, tools for financial statement analysis, accounting ratio, liquidity ratio, solvency ratio, activity ratio, profitability ratio. In Unit 4, analysis of financial statement, the important topics are overview of computerized accounting system, accounting application of electronic spreadsheet, using computerized accounting system. Let's check the CBSE Class 12 Accountancy question paper pattern 2024. The questions 1 to 16 and 27 to 30 consist 1 mark each. Questions 17 to 20, 31 and 32 consist of weightage of 3 marks each. Question 21, 22 and 33 consist of weightage of 4 marks each. Question 23 to 26 and 34 consist of weightage of 6 marks each. Let's check the CBSE Class 12 Accountancy exam pattern 2023 to 2024. The remembering and understanding consists 55% with the 44 marks. Application of knowledge and information consists 23.75% with 19 marks. Analyzing, evaluation and creativeness consists 21.25% with 17 marks. Let's check the recommended books for CBSE Class 12 Accountancy. The Accountancy 1 book with NCERT publication, the Accountancy 2nd with NCERT publication, the Accountancy Computerized Accountancy System with NCERT publication. To know more details, you can visit our website and also leave a comment if you have any specific questions. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel.